St. Jago High is represented by Janelle Essen, Torianne Beckford, Kevandra Blake, and Jermaine Miller. St. Mary High is represented by Trishay Fagan, Leonie Harris, Siobhan Eve Harris, and Ryan Ewan. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the first match in round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2024. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and Jago High won. They decided to send St. Mary High in first. And so we begin with St. Mary High. Now this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. St. Mary, we begin with Spanish. What question is being asked? ¿Cuáles son tus pasatiempos?
What is the time?
What is the time?
No, what are your hobbies or pastimes? Spanish for St. Jago, what question is being asked? ¿Qué música te gusta?
What music do you like?
Correct. International Affairs for St. Mary. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Michael Mishustin.
Michael Mishustin.
Correct. International Affairs for St. Jago. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Alexander van der Bellen.
Alexander van der Bellen.
Incorrect. Sergey Lavrov. And Information Technology, St. Mary. In Microsoft Excel, which shortcut key is used to switch between different sections of the program's interface, including the worksheet, ribbon, and task panes?
Control A.
Control A.
No, F6. Information Technology for St. Jago. In Microsoft Office programs, which shortcut key is used to open the Save As dialog box?
F12.
F12.
Correct. Music for St. Mary. Listen to the clip. Give the title of this song.
Feeling you, so now we feel yeah. Hey, fancy, oh your heart stay.
Lockdown.
Lockdown.
Correct. Music for St. Jago. Listen to the clip. Give the title of this song.
For them, see, me know the man, fi but friend if he enemy. Yo, I pass me see people there around me so plenty, but me pocket na empty, me need
Rapture.
Correct. Literature for St. Mary. What is the name of the gentle motherly farm horse who is a friend of Boxer in George Orwell's novel Animal Farm?
Squealer.
Squealer.
Incorrect. Clover. Literature St. Jago. What is the first name of the violently insane first wife of Edward Rochester in Charlotte Bronte's novel Jane Eyre?
Jane. First name is Jane. Jane.
Jane.
Incorrect. Bertha. Theatre and cinema. St. Mary, look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Rami Malek.
Rami Malek.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Ralph Fiennes.
Ralph Fiennes.
We'll accept. Jamaican heritage. This is for St. Mary. In what century did the construction of the original Greenwood Great House in St. James begin?
18th century.
18th century.
18th century.
Correct. St. Jago, Jamaican heritage. In what century was the Seville Great House in St. Anne originally built?
16th century.
16th century.
Incorrect. 18th century. And sports, St. Mary, look at the monitor. Identify this person.
William Eze.
William Eze.
William Eze.
Incorrect. Wilfried Zaha. And sports, St. Jago, look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Edward Mendy.
Edward Mendy.
Correct. St. Mary, French. What is the English translation for il fait foi?
Il fait for. So, in favor of.
In favor of.
In favor of.
No, it's cold. And French for St. Jago. What is the English translation for il fait chaud?
It is hot.
Correct. Art for St. Mary. Who created the statue of Jamaican sprinting icon? Okay, so that's it. That's the bell and the end of the opening challenge. The scores are St. Jago high on 6, St. Mary high on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. School's challenge quiz returns right after these messages.